Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and now in this video I'm going to tell you about the one of course which I have got in these days. Actually this is a course which is being offered by the Oracle company, which is the world's largest database management company. Okay, so let's start what are those courses. So here are some courses, like this is for database for developer, okay, in which you will learn about SQL, and the difficulty level you can see beginner. And if you want to learn the database management system like SQL, that is a structured query language, so you can go for it. Okay, so here you can see the module 1, 2, 3 and everything. You can see here are the topics what they will teach you, and here you can see the format of this course. Okay, and also you can see here after completion of this course you will get a certificate also. So here you can see, here is just one question, like will I get a certificate for completing this course? So here you can see the answer is yes, you can get. So you will need to complete the whole course and then you will get a certificate for it, and it's a very good for the adding that certificate in your resume. Okay, because it will increase the value of your resume. Like this will be certificate from your from that particular organization, that is Oracle. Okay, so here you can see about the instructor. Okay, so now let's move to the next course, and the next course is just of intermediate level. Okay, in which you will learn about some day, that is the next level course. Okay, before this course was for beginner, like who don't know anything about that, about SQL. But if you know something about SQL, then you can go for this course intermediate, and after that you can go for this one, PL by SQL, table function and all these things, PL SQL. And what you have to do, you have to just create an account on Oracle, and it's not a very big deal to create account on any website. I know you are smart enough to do that. Okay, and let's move to the next one. And here you can see the this is the course of analytic SQL. Okay, this is for developer. Okay, analytic SQL. I also don't have done much knowledge about these topics. Okay, so actually I've got that code, that's why I'm telling you. So here you can see the all the information. I will give the link of these all the courses in description. Okay, so and here you can see the again there is one course that is the performance, and again here you can see 9 good to knows for PLSQL error management, and here you can see the CRUD operation using Python. Okay, Oracle and Python. So now what you have to do, you will need to just go on this website that I will give the link in the description, devzim.oracle.com, that is subdomain. So you will get the interface like this. Wait a minute, you will get like this. Then what you have to do, you have to just click on get started. Okay, and then you have to click on this classes. Okay, and then here you will get the all the courses. Okay, here you can see all the ratings. Like here you can see 26,000 students has already enrolled in these courses. Okay, so I hope you will love it, and if this video is beneficial for you, then you can share it with your friends. Okay, and but just you have to create an account on this website, then this is all yours. Okay, so if you feel this video is helpful for you and for your friend, then please share this video. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching.